your views suddenly dropped, like your videos are no longer popping up on search, then you're wondering, could it be that YouTube has shadow banned my channel? Now let me tell you something, it's happening to a lot of YouTubers right now, including me. But I was able to find out exactly what was going on and how to fix it. And let me tell you, this could be the exact same reason why your videos are not even being seen by people. So basically in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what shadow banning simply means and how you can be able to fix it, just like the way I was able to fix mine. So without much being said, let's get straight into the video. So now the question is, what is shadow banning on YouTube? Now, shadow banning simply means your contents are being hidden without any notification. That is, your videos are no longer appearing on search, suggested videos, or even homepage, even when your titles and tags are on point. But here's one thing you need to know today. YouTube doesn't officially shadow ban creators. No, what they do is to deprioritize videos that are performing low. That is, videos that don't do well. So if your watch time is low, your click-through rate, which is your CTR, is very poor, or maybe your topic confuses your audience or is not even all that relevant to your audience, what the YouTube algorithm will simply do is they will stop pushing out your videos. So now the next question is how to check if you are shadow banned on YouTube. So if you're out there and you're noticing that your channel is not getting the views that it's supposed to get, now what you simply need to do is, I'm going to be sharing with us now a new test that you can be able to use to check if you are shadow banned. And mind you, shadow ban simply means, that is, if your content is being hidden, to know whether YouTube is recommending or pushing out your videos. So step number one is open incognito mode. And for you to be able to do this, you can either do it on your main YouTube app, or you just go over to your Chrome or any browser, then click on the three dots at the top right, and you're going to see new incognito window. Now this is only going to be showing you what other viewers are searching here on YouTube, that is without your own personal history. If you go on incognito, you won't be able to get anything from your past history. So it will just be like maybe a new or like a fresh person coming over to YouTube to type your exact video title. So right now, if you've been able to achieve that, step number two is to go over to YouTube search bar and search your exact title. Now pick out up to 3 videos from your channel, both the ones that had views and the ones that doesn't have views. Pick out the exact same title, the way you put the comma, exactly the way it is. Now pick that title and place it on your YouTube search bar. Now once you place it, you're going to know if YouTube is recommending that video or if YouTube is pushing that video or not. So right now I'm going to be showing you from the screen here exactly how to do it, because I recently tested it for 3 videos on my lifestyle channel and I was really marveled. Like these 3 videos, they refused to have views despite every single thing I did. So I just discovered that it could be that my audience are not interested, or that topic does not interest my audience. And what do I need to do? I don't have to make such video again, because if not, they're just going to be piling up on my channel without having views. So right now, let's head over to my screen record. Let me go over to my YouTube Studio app to show you how to turn this incognito on and to make research on any video with exact same title on your channel. So right now I am on my YouTube channel. As you all can see, this is my lifestyle channel, so I didn't even do it with my main YouTube app. So what I'm going to be simply doing is to scroll up here. You will see this turn on incognito, then go ahead and click on it. You can see that I am already on an incognito mode. Yeah, now what you need to do is to write exactly the same title of one of your video here. Now after typing it, if YouTube does not recommend it after like 10 videos, then that simply means that your videos are being hidden and you need to act fast. That is, either the little audience you have are not just interested, or the or YouTube algorithm does not just see it worthy enough to be pushed, or maybe your channel does not have all the relevant information it needs for your video to be coming up on search results. So I'm going to be using example of one video on my channel to show you what it simply means for YouTube to be recommending your video. So let me head over to my YouTube studio right now and switch to my main channel to be able to get the exact same title. So this is a video on my channel, on my main channel. So I'm going to be copying this. I'll copy this title exactly the way it is. Then I'll go and paste it on that incognito session to see if the YouTube algorithm is going to be suggesting my video or recommending my video or not. Now let's scroll. You can see that it's my video. Like my video popped up first. Like my video was the first thing. So if you do your own and your video does not come out as first, you still scroll down. It doesn't come out as even all these ones. Like you keep scrolling and you can't find your video even after scrolling past like 10 to 15 videos. It simply means that something is wrong. Like you need to really act fast. So also here are 4 or 5 other signs in order for you to be able to know if you are shadow banned or not. This one is just the practical aspects. Now this is another way that you can be able to tell whether your channel is shadow banned or not. So the very first way is, let's assume that you used to have high views, like maybe 500, 1000 views, like 400 views, and all of a sudden your video views drop. Like they drop to one particular view range, either like 10 back to back or like 30 views back to back. It simply means that something is wrong and you need to wake up and act fast. So another way for you to be able to know if your video is shadow banned is maybe you don't get traffic from suggested video, you don't get traffic from browse feature and even YouTube recommendation. And for you to be able to check that, what you simply need to do is to head over to your YouTube studio. Now once you come over to your YouTube studio, go ahead and click on one particular video, click on the analytics. Then what you just click on either how viewers find this video, or you click on read for you to be able to see it well. You can see traffic source and you can see views. You can see that the first one is YouTube recommendations. I have 1.4k views from there out of 2100 views. Now the second one is channel page and other YouTube features. So if you check it this way and your videos are not even popping out, your videos are not coming out as either browse feature or maybe either this thing, YouTube recommendations, you keep seeing channel pages. Channel pages is people subscribe to you, that the minute you post, they get the notification and they show up. That is, they come to watch the video. That is what that channel page is. Or people come to your page and click on your video and watch. Yes, that one doesn't really concern much with YouTube recommendation. Once you post, as long as they turn their bell icon on to your channel, then they're going to get notified that, oh, she has posted. So but if you're not seeing views from all these things that I just mentioned, something is honestly wrong and you need to act fast. Don't worry, we're going to be going into that very soon. So another way for you to be able to check if your video is shadow banned, that is being hidden, or YouTube is not pushing it enough, is if your CTR drop to as low as 3%. As low as 3%, it simply means that something is wrong. You have to wake up and act fast immediately. So the last reason, or the last way for you to be able to know if YouTube is pushing out your video or not, is your average view duration. If you have a video that is like 8 minutes long and you're having average view duration of 1 minute or 58 seconds, it means YouTube cannot even push the video further. That is simply how this platform is. I'm saying all this out of experience and out of a lot of channel reviews that I've done. I've also faced it on my own lifestyle channel, even on this main channel when I started. Imagine posting a 16 minutes video and your own average view duration is like 1 minute, or maybe 1 minute 30 seconds, or even 2 minutes. YouTube itself will find the video not worthy to be pushed enough to larger audience. So now the most important part of this video, or the next question, is how to remove shadow ban from your channel and bring your views back. So number one most important thing that you need to do in order for you to avoid your videos being shadow banned, which is being hidden from YouTube, that is to stop YouTube from pushing it, which is which simply means YouTube hiding your videos from your desired audience. So the number one thing you need to make sure you do is re-optimize your video titles and thumbnails. You have to try your best to make your title and thumbnail clickable. There is this particular mistake that a lot of us have been making. Even me myself, I've actually started correcting them in most of my videos. If you're choosing a title for your video, do not in fact don't allow your title and your thumbnail to be the same thing. Whatsoever thing you write on your title, do not put it on your thumbnail. You can just pick maybe one magic word from your title, or maybe the main keyword, and use it as your thumbnail, in the essence that your thumbnail is supposed to complement your title, not be the same thing with your title. So a very good example is, check out this particular video that you are watching, check out the title of this video, and also check out the thumbnail of this video. So the second thing that you need to do for you to be able to stop shadow ban on your channel is for you to stick to one niche. This particular thing is really really going to help you, because if you don't know, if you open a channel and you're posting close to 4 different things on that channel, let's say that those 4 things are not even in any way connected to your core niche, that is your main audience, you are not only confusing your viewers, you are also confusing the YouTube algorithm, which is even responsible for pushing out your videos. Yes, I know that the minute you post a video, for YouTube to keep pushing it and recommending it, your viewers behavior counts, which is your audience. So if your audience are not relating well with the video, there is no how the YouTube algorithm will be able to push out that video. So you have to try your best to niche down, pick out a particular niche and stick to it. There are some niche that you can be able to do 3 different things in it, which are some lifestyle and vlog channel. Aside that self, you can decide to say, okay, let me go into this money making niche, and you talk about a lot of things. There are so many fields, not the one that you open a lifestyle and vlog channel, tomorrow we are talking about trending hot news. That is, you have simply leave the niche and join people that is doing news. Or tomorrow you have entered this African folktale channels. I do channel reviews from time to time, and these are some mistakes that a lot of small channels are doing. It's going to be really really hard, to be honest with you. It will be difficult. You find it difficult to grow here, honestly. So try your best to niche down, give your channel an identity, so that so that it can even assist or help the YouTube algorithm to be able to push it to the right people. Okay, so the third thing you need to do is, now this is going to be more like experiments. If you want to try it, go ahead and try it. Now if you notice that, okay, my channel is not going, nothing is going, preachers have been doing heaven and earth but it's not going, first of all, before you try this particular thing, try to make sure that every other thing is set about your channel. And if maybe you are a type that maybe you're confusing the YouTube algorithm with different kind of topic ideas, this might not really work out for you. So what you simply need to do is drop a comeback video. And what does that simply mean? Try to look for something trending in your niche, like something that is currently very hot, trending, then make a video on it. Yeah, make a video, try to look for good hashtag, good SEO tag, good, that is, optimize it properly, make that video and post it. Even if the video have 50, 100, 200 views, if that video is going to be being pushed out by YouTube, if you check out, that is by turning off that turning on incognito and check out that video, you'll be able to know whether your channel is picking up. Now you can try this like 2 to 3 times. This will also help the channel to breathe in fresh air. I know how many times doing videos that are trending on my niche has helped me. In fact, let me be honest with you all, my first ever most viral video, which is no views, no subscribers, turn this off, I actually did that video based on it was trending. So the number 4 thing that you need to do, this one is not really all that compulsory, but you can also do it more like a test. That is, if you notice that your channel is not having view, maybe you're posting long form videos and there is no view coming in, then look for all these trending sounds from shorts and post. Maybe you can try to post like 3 to 4 different shorts to see if they're going to be having views. But if you do all these things and the views is not coming in, my sister, just know that it could be that something is wrong, or it's the content itself. Maybe it requires time to get the right audience to your channel. You know, there are some video titles and topics that you do here that it will it might even take you forever, honestly. That is, the video lacks audience. Yeah, so you can go ahead and maybe give this particular point a try to see if it's going to actually revive your channel back. But if you do it with trending sound, that is this short trending sound, ouch, and you do not get views, something is wrong with your channel. Okay, that means you have to find way to either re-optimize the whole thing, or if possible self create new channel, use all these ideas that I share on my channel. See, every single thing I share for you, they are what I use to grow my own channel. So the last most important thing that you need to make sure you pay attention to is, you see the word engagement. Engage like crazy. Engage, try your best. Each time you post video, once somebody drop comment, go and engage. In fact, the minute you drop your video, drop comments. If possible, ask question. All this engagement helps to tell the YouTube algorithm that, hey sir, I am still active. Oh, don't leave me. Oh, I am active. That is the power of engagement. I've test run this on my lifestyle channel. When I first opened that channel, that I'll just come this month. Okay, I posted 2 videos in 2 months, almost in 3 months, just 2 videos. I don't do anything with that channel. Like nothing is going on. But the minute I decided to reset the whole thing, optimize the whole channel, and I started dropping videos there, engaging, I use the channel to watch people videos, drop comments, like engage very very well. Once I see a video, a YouTuber, or maybe it might not even really be a YouTuber, I will click on it, I will watch it, I will drop comments. So if you're out there, you are, let me say you just create a channel, maybe you come here, you post, you log out, and no. That engagement is even going to even help you with, sometimes it helps you with audience. I know how many subscribers that I've gotten from just using that my channel to comment, oh, so nice, I love what you do. Yeah, your video is so cute, it's so great. Wow, you said we'll be happy to connect with that person. So try your best to master and learn engagement, okay? So the main concept of this whole video is that you might not even be shadow banned. In fact, I even stated it earlier on that you can't get shadow banned on YouTube. No, maybe they do it in the past, but recently I have not seen it anywhere on the YouTube platform, even on their rules and regulation. You can't get shadow banned. The only thing is that you are being hidden. You are not yet visible enough. You have not shown yourself enough to the YouTube algorithm for them to like actually notice you, pick you up, and start showing you. Yeah, it's a gradual process. Yeah, don't hurt yourself and say, oh, no. Sometimes just bet at the back of your mind that some channels actually need time to grow. So don't be too hot on yourself, okay? So one thing is, if maybe you notice that this channel is not really giving you what you want, though I know that you must have invested the time, the data. I didn't say you should abandon it totally. Just maybe try to do those things on a new channel and you might see results. I know of people that have tried it and they've come back to me to testify. Yeah. So guys, this is me trying to tell you that you can actually do it. So just check these things out. Go ahead and test that incognito test. Try it. Then try all the points that I just listed. And save this video. If possible, share it so that you can always come back to it from time to time. So if you've watched to this extent and you feel you are shadow banned or maybe anyhow, just go down to the comment section and drop it. So I think I should be engaging with you in the comments, okay? So if you've watched to this extent, please do well to like this video, drop me your comment as usual, and do not forget to share this beautiful information so that I can get a whole lot of people. And always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. I wish you all good luck and all the best on your channel. My dream, my prayer is for we all to keep winning. Yes, I feel so happy each time I hear any subscriber here say, oh, princess, I just got monetized. Like, happiness to want finish me. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.